Hello car guys, how are you today? This is the rear disc brake unit, the complete rear disc brake unit, which is universal type, with all accessories, necessary, compulsory and very important parts, including all the parts and accessories, and then everything here. So this is this is the rear disc brake kit, rear disc brake upgrade kit or conversion kit or customization modification, whatever you name it, guys. So that this is the rear caliper with a special mechanism, e-cable mechanism. This caliper include a special handbrake cable or e-brake cable mechanism included. Also the same caliper, the mechanism included, which is functional e-brake cable or handbrake cable. And this is the brake rotor or disc rotor, you name it, and the backing plate, and the brake pads, the caliper cover plate here, the caliper cover plate, and the nut and bolts, backing plate accessories, and the backing plate. Okay, so yeah, the whole unit is here, as you can see on the video. So hope you guys enjoy the video. Thank you so much, and most welcome for any modification, a high profile car modification or upgrade or customization or the conversion system here. This is all about the braking system actually. So you got the braking system upgrade kit, the engines, the suspensions, the turbo system, the ITB kit, all the high profile performance parts here. So most welcome car guys. Thank you so much for today, and I will be back with my next video. Tada, bye.